we can provide carbon and graphite products with surface treatments such as coating or impregnation. Based on our experience, we can offer a wide range of composites products. For example, in an atmosphere of high temperature and corrosive gas, graphite corrodes easily and wears out faster. In such cases, we can offer graphite products coated with silicon carbide or tantalum carbide by CVD. We also offer carbon products impregnated with resin or metal to improve strength, impermeability, sliding and sealing properties under high pressure, high-speed rotating conditions. To prevent the dust of the graphite itself, we can supply graphite products impregnated or coated with glassy carbon. Our graphite products can also be coated by CVD in order to reduce gas permeation.